Nestled in a spectacular setting, you'll find this boutique equestrian estate with pastoral views. Ideally situated amongst gorgeous estate homes and surrounded by vineyards, it offers endless opportunities. Enter the gates to Bella Vista Estate, and you'll discover an exemplary equestrian property. Fully fenced and cross-fenced, this serene retreat includes a main house, currently a successful vacation rental for 13 years. A guest barn with a custom viewing room and additional bunk space. Plus an immaculate horse barn. Inside the barn, you'll find 5 12 by 12-foot stalls and room for 6 or more horses. It includes an owner tack room, high-end wood cabinetry, indoor and outdoor wash racks, carriage light, a sound system, and much more. Plus partially covered runs and heavy-duty paddocks of galvanized material with drainage systems and a hayloft. Enter into the main house and discover an inviting interior with vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, new carpet, and fresh paint. It opens to the dining area with direct access to the view deck. A nicely appointed kitchen has heated tile floors, granite counters, and newer appliances. This home of more than 3,700 square feet also has a main level bedroom, office, and bathroom. Up a few stairs, you'll find the primary bedroom suite with a private deck overlooking the property and an ensuite bath. In addition, there are 2 more spacious bedrooms and another full bathroom, all updated. The lower level is where you'll find a completely separate living area with a fireplace and a full kitchen. 2 more bedrooms. And a full bathroom for limitless possibilities. Entertain on the covered patio or by the fire pit. You'll also enjoy endless trail riding right outside the property, landscape irrigation, and organic garden beds. Head to the guest barn and you'll find an upper-level custom viewing room with custom built-in features, heated tile floors, and lavish finishes. Or take in forever views from the covered deck. You'll find another large bedroom and an updated full bath. The lower level has a secondary bunk space with a private garage. The 60 by 180-foot riding arena features all-weather footing with incredible drainage and an automatic watering system. A rare opportunity for a captivating equestrian estate. It's all here on Pleasant Hill Road and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.